AI research assistants are everywhere right now, but not all of them are built the same. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Logically.app and Paperguide, two of the most popular AI research assistants, and I'm going to see how they actually perform for academic performance and writing. By the end of this video, you'll see which tool will be best for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's first start off with what is Logically. Logically is an all-in-one AI research workspace for students and researchers. What sets Logically apart is how seamlessly everything connects. My research, notes, citations, and writing are fully integrated. Logically is built around 4 core features that turn it into a complete research workspace. Number 1 is the AI research assistant. So Logically gives you 3 ways to research. You can chat directly with your PDFs in document retrieval mode, scan a database of 200 million academic papers in semantic scholar mode, or search the web with scholar level precision in Google search mode. Every answer does come with properly formatted citations. Next is its reference manager, so you can upload files in multiple formats and all your references are neatly organized in one place. Then you can sort them into folders, tag them for easy scanning, and generate citations in one click. Next is Logically's file annotator, so if you ever feel like a PDF is kind of like speaking in riddles or really confusing, file annotator lets you highlight in different colors, pin sticky notes, and when a graph or dense paragraph has you stumped, you just ask AI to break it down so you can keep moving. And lastly is its document writer. Logically's document writer makes writing simpler by keeping everything in one place. You can draft and refine your work, and with just one click, insert citations that build your bibliography in over 10,000 styles. Now, what is Paperguide? Paperguide is a handy AI tool designed for the early stages of tackling academic papers. It gives quick summaries of dense PDFs, highlights key points, and even sketches out visual maps. So here are some key features that Paperguide brings to the table. Number 1 is its AI search and summary. So Paperguide saves you from endless scrolling by letting you search papers with simple keywords or questions. Once it finds what you need, it slices those heavy PDFs into concise summaries that actually make sense. You can chat with PDF and data extraction, so you upload a PDF and ask questions in plain English for instant clarification. Paperguide will explain, clarify, and even fetch the data tables or figures hiding in the appendix. Next is its reference management, so Paperguide lets you organize sources neatly with folders and tags, and it supports over 1,000 citation styles. Next is its AI writing and plagiarism checker, so Paperguide offers smart suggestions and grammar fixes to keep your draft flowing, and when you're done, the plagiarism checker makes sure your paper doesn't sound suspiciously like your last one. Okay, now that we got an overview of both tools, I'm now going to go into a detailed side-by-side comparison of both tools. Right now, I'm working on a paper about the Mandela effect, so let's see how each tool tackles this topic. So we're first starting off with discovering research papers comparison. I turned to the Logically research assistant. It did not disappoint. I got a gold mine of knowledge from scientists and psychologists experimenting with different theories. For every point it made, it attached the exact paper it was referencing, so I could double check everything before anyone asks what my source is. Everything is super trusted. And with one click, I had the option to add it to my reference manager, visit the source, pick from different bibliography styles, and even preview the content. Now for Paperguide, Paperguide's AI research assistant responded to the same query, scanned the top 10 papers, then laid out how false memories form and spread, so the role of misinformation, social reinforcement, and schema-driven reconstruction. There was even a handy table that mapped cognitive mechanisms to real-world examples, plus a tidy reference stack I can chat with, cite, or export in one click. Next, let's go into annotating papers comparison. Viewing the document in Logically's file annotator, I feel like I could truly explore the paper because I could highlight core findings, pin notes, add sticky notes, and anything I could not understand. I could ask the PDF a question, ask AI, and it'll give me an answer from the document, and so it's super helpful when trying to understand my PDF fully. For Paperguide, it has its chat with PDF, which gave me fast, plain English clarifications on the same sections, which is great for checking my understanding without rereading full pages. But the annotation layer is lighter. I didn't get the same in-document color highlights or sticky notes that I would have preferred. Next is the organizing references comparison, and Logically Reference Manager made it super simple. I could organize my references by tags, create shared libraries, generate citations super easily, and with all the metadata stored right with the source. I did the same using the Paperguide reference manager, and the results were similar. I set up a Mandela effect research shelf with folders for memory theory and social influence, then ticked a few papers and used add to folders to slot them in. I labeled items with cognitive mechanisms and cultural examples and filtered by tag in the left rail when the list got long. Although I wished for Logically's like colorful tags instead, the dog tags worked just fine, and I clicked the title and it opened a right panel of ready to paste full citation in text version, author details, plus an attached PDF button if I needed the file on record. Lastly, let's go into writing papers comparison. Writing papers with Logically Document Writer, I could use the AI outline generator to generate me an outline to go off of to write my draft. The AI auto suggest feature pulls from my notes and my sources and suggests sentences for me to write. Even when I hit writer's block, I can insert citations in one click. I was able to pull in any reference I wanted with an automatic bibliography generating itself at the bottom of my paper. It was super seamless and a great way to finish up the research process. Switching to Paperguide's AI writer, the move from research to writing felt surprisingly natural. The references and extracts sat neatly on hand, feeding straight into the draft, so I wasn't left resting with a blank page. In many ways, it did mirror Logically's seamless flow, both turning research writing into a collaborative breeze. Now let's go into cost. Paperguide has 3 plans. First is its free plan with 5 AI generations a day, premium models 500 megabytes of storage, access to most of their features, 8 columns in literature review, premium AI models, 1,000 plus citation styles. It's a very robust free plan. There's its plus plan, which is $12 a month, where you have unlimited AI generations, 10 deep research reports per month, unlimited storage. You can add up to 50 columns in a literature review and extract data workbooks, up to 25 papers per workbook, unlimited AI writer words, plus everything in free plan. And then there's its pro plan, which has, if you're full-fledged researcher and you need that like a lot of deep research reports, it has 50 deep research reports a month, unlimited AI generations, up to 100 papers per workbook, unlimited AI writer words, 20 full document generations per month, plagiarism checker, plus everything in free plan. It's very full-fledged. For Logically, there are 2 plans. Number 1 is the free plan. So you get access to all the products and access to most features, 5 AI auto suggestions, chat messages, inquiries per mini tool per day with 500 megabytes of file storage. So you get to try out all the features on your own terms and see if you like it, or not. And you have 500 megabytes of storage to do whatever you want, go crazy. And then you have the unlimited plan, which is $12 a month. And this has access to all premium features, unlimited AI auto suggestions, commands, chat messages, mini tool cores, reference and file storage, so unlimited everything just for $12 a month. And students get 50% off discount, and that's only $6 a month, and I am a college student, so that is a pretty sweet deal. Okay, so now we went through the whole research process. Which tool should you use? If what I need is to quickly get a clear overview of my reading, spot the main arguments to see how different ideas connect, then Paperguide gets the job done. It's built for fast comprehension, summaries, and early stage brainstorming. But if I'm tackling a bigger project that demands dozens of sources, annotating deeply, managing references, and actually writing with proper citations, then Logically is a tool I'd stick with. It's designed to carry me through the full entire research project from start to finish. So which one's right for you? Kind of depends where you are at on your research journey and how much coffee you're willing to tolerate along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.